Hey, how's it going, guys? I just want to show you another video of more of a swap meet haul that I've recently gotten this past Thursday at the Do or Die Cast swap meet. Now, I wasn't gonna show the stuff, but I said, you know what? Why not? I'm bored. Might as well make a video, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's show you stuff I got from a guy named John. Um, so let's start off with that. I bought these two off of him. I got this blown delivery. Very, very nice. Al Minto. Sorry about all the glare. That's pretty nice. Looking to maybe trade this or something. I don't know. I don't know yet what I want to do. But there's the back from 2016. And then this one is my favorite. I love this casting. The 64 GMC panel. It's just a huge casting, heavy. The same with the blown delivery. It's a big casting too. This one's the 2015 collector edition. So that's pretty nice. This has the number 2 on the side. That must have been the second release. The blown delivery was probably the first release. It has the number 1 in the back, towards the back panel. So yeah, this is pretty sweet. Very, very nice. Love this casting. I never mentioned it too much, but this truck is one of my favorite castings. I did a custom on one of these castings a while back in metallic blue. I don't know if you guys ever saw that. I still have it. It's beautiful. The paint job is, man, amazing. But anyways, I bought those off of him, okay, and then I threw him a car. What was it? The Honda pink Honda S 2000 had just come out. So then we traded for these. He wanted a couple of the Peanuts cars that just come out. He took 2 of them, and I took 2. This one and another one I'm going to show you. I think I got the better deal, I guess. I guess it doesn't really matter. Just, they both cost the same, so. But nice dairy delivery. Raisinets. And this one here, the Volkswagen Microbus. The Reese's Pieces. I've seen this thing online. I've seen it before. I haven't recently went on, but I remember this thing going for like crazy money. I don't know why, but that's a nice piece. I like it. It was the only one he had, so I jumped right on it. Pretty sweet. Literally, pretty sweet. Then I got this off of him. I think I paid $1 for this. $1. This Corvette C6R. Get the real riders on it. So pretty cool. It's nice. just a dark metallic blue, it looks like. Very sweet. So that's the stuff I got from John. Now the stuff I got from my buddy Chris. Shout out to you, Chris. Collecting for Ben on Instagram. This is what I got from him. We did a trade. He wanted $1.50 each, but we figured we trade. So, a couple 67 Camaros. These will be customized. Nice heavy, metal on metal. So that's sweet. What else? I grabbed 3 more 67 Camaros. Tinted window, white interior. So that's sweet. Heavy castings, love them. We made a sweet trade. What do we got here? I just grabbed a couple of these. Then I got just from them, Pontiac Bonneville and the 64 Chevy Impala on the faster than ever wheels. Minto Elemento. Very sweet. Love them. See how nice they look when it no tempos on them, or very little tempos. How nice. I mean, that's why I do the customs I do. They're very clean, you know. I don't want all that stuff all over it. Anyways, is that 64 Chevy Impala. That's nice. What else? The Power Plower. I don't know why they call us the Power Plow when there's no plow in the front. Anyways. Heavy casting, another heavy casting, metal on metal. Sweet. Then the last two that I want to show are the Toyota MR2s. I had every variation on these. Exclusives, promotional, all kinds, and I got rid of them. I lost my job that time a couple years ago. So yeah, but that's that. Very, very cool. So that's it. That's gonna do it for this video. I'm doing another overnight tonight. I did one last night. So yeah, gonna get ready for that. And hopefully I'll be making another video soon. So be on the lookout. There was a sticker on the back that I was trying to get off. Yeah. There's something I was gonna say to you guys, if whatever, but I forgot. Anyways, I gotta go. Take care. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks again for watching. Take care, and God bless. Oh, heard a crack.